Are you feeling stuck? Perhaps you feel that you don't have enough budget to get some fresh ideas from your agencies or from crowdsourcing. What if you could use AI instead? Let me show you how you could create inspiration with AI rapidly and cost effectively. I take it that many will be highly skeptical about this video. To set expectations right, AI alone will not come up with groundbreaking solutions to solve your challenge. But the tool is very handy to quickly generate some stimuli to inspire your team. In this example, I use two AI software, ChatGPT and Midjourney. Let's imagine that you are looking for inspiration to create a very niche chewing gum targeting video gamers. I will start with ChatGPT to create concepts. My question to ChatGPT: how would you redesign a chewing gum to make it more appealing to people who play video games? You can read ChatGPT's answers here. This is, of course, very generic, and you can make it even more productive by feeding your genuine consumer insights into ChatGPT. But let's work with what we have. What I want to do now is to zoom in some interesting areas from ChatGPT's answer and turn that into a prompt, into a brief for Midjourney to bring that to life visually. I can then choose which visual I want to iterate or upscale to get more details. A few variations and iterations later, I ended up with this very interesting product. What makes this visual interesting is what it is suggesting, not only what it is showing. What are these bubbles or grains on the gum? Is it crunchy? How about a crunchy gum? This is a starting point for a product innovation team to fill in the blanks or invent them. And you will repeat the process with ChatGPT and Midjourney, focusing on different insights, on different dimensions to create a breadth of ideas, very visual, that could inspire and excite your team. For example, you will focus on different aspects of your future products. It could be the texture, it could be the packaging, it could be the way it is sold. You do not want to converge into one solution. What you want is, again, a breadth of ideas, so people have a broader field, wider field of what's possible. And these are, of course, springboards for your ideation session. Needless to say, ideation sessions need to be professionally facilitated to yield some good results. But that's a topic for our next video. In the meantime, thank you for watching and keep your mind wide open.